Good job. Bring it back. Come on, bring it back. Good boy. Here. Go get it.
So you saw, I asked you before, you saw on Facebook where Carol, my cousin in the Philippines, posted that baby that was left outside the compound?
No. Hold on. Go get it. Good job. Good job, baby. Come here. Come here, Dre. Here. Come here, Dre. Here, you want it? Come here. Dre, come here. Here, take a toy. Oh. Hi, sweet pea. Hi, lover. Yeah, you're such a lover. You are. You're such a lover, huh?